I'm dressed as Joan Crawford with some delightful stink eye. Ew. I was just showing off my stink eye to the camera. Look at it, it's awesome. Don't touch it. It's contagious. It's highly contagious. But here we are, Fantasy Festival 2010, Van Georgetown. Looking pretty good. We got, I don't know what that is. Spinning Key Largo Joe is extremely excited about this event.
Oh, you got no idea.
Where's your camera? You're the one that takes pictures.
I don't have a camera this year. I've got my iPhone. I'll be taking pictures with my iPhone.
We got Ghostface.
All right, if everybody
I love Ghostface.
please raise your glass.
Uh-oh. Raise your glass.
Fantasy Fest 2010. Let's all get drunk and go to heaven. Get out there. Get out there. I did call a prescription in for you, so I'm hoping you pick it up before they close tonight. You'll feel better tomorrow.
I will not.
You will.
Back at Fantasy Fest 2010. I still have stink eye. Wow, that's really red. Here is, oh, it spelled my big ass heels. Hatter just ran by. And here is the band Georgetown. We are currently at standstill. I don't know why. And I'm talking to myself. Here's the noodles. What the fuck is that?
Oh, sorry. I thought I had something on my finger.
You bitch. See a little photo whacking. On the pole. Are you waiting to go home?
I need food. Put that in the Jeep at least.
You're not allowed to take my helmet. Fine, bitch. Here's your fucking helmet. My bad. Ow! That's bitch.
Really?
My baloney.
Really, you ignorant slut. Jane, you ignorant slut. Really? You were fucking filming yourself. Oh, I said, ah! No. And the Fantasy Fest, and that's what you're doing? You put a fucking plastic head on your hat? Hat on your head? Yeah, I'm drunk too. But you put that shit on your head? You're the sober one. We had a barbecue fire. And then you do that?
Can you do me a favor, sing My Baloney Head?
When I was just an itty bitty boy, I gave my grandma gave me an itty bitty.
Shut the fuck up. Make sure you put the frosting on.
Keep going.
Too bad.
We need a toast.
Come on, everybody, get
I ain't got nothing to toast.
Come on in here, Angus.
What's my thing to toast?
Get a fucking cupcake, you douchebag.
Who's giving me a cupcake?
A cupcake?
How many people get to see?
Who's giving me a cupcake?
How many people get to see behind the scenes?
No.
Someone get the fucking paint.
Never allowed.
Never. Hey.
Just like this is never allowed.
What?
No, there's no spooky smush going on right now.
Angus is trying to smush me.
Man, you made a hell of a Somebody give Angus a punch cupcake.
Filming this.
Angus is trying to smush me.
Angus a cupcake.
The
Security.
Christians told me I'm going to hell and Jesus doesn't love me. I threw my beer at him and I guess I'm
Alright, Gary, shut the fuck up.
Yes.
Yeah, you stupid.
There we go. Alright. I don't know where the best man is, so I'm making the fucking toast.
Toast!
Toast.
I came all the way
Toast! the cakes.
Just see you motherfuckers get married.
Go back to jail, will you?
Yeah.
Jail for
Just because I
Rob.
was in a straitjacket does not mean
They let you
that I
out
should
for
be
the weekend
incarcerated
just for a
and
wedding.
stayed there.
Mom and Dad's wedding. They
Gary?
let you out. Great.
Gary, shut the fuck up.
Gary, President Obama.
Sherry, you get all the credit in the fucking world for marrying the sumbitch.
Whoa!
We have
Thank
a
you
winner.
for making him a real man, because we all thought he was gay before this. And you know what?
Got your
Might
fingers
still be. We don't.
Salute, yeah, he still could be, but thanks,
He
Chris.
wants to be. He wants to be.
Either way,
Come on, the frosting's
to
melting.
Gary and Sherry, may
No.
their wedding.
To Sherry and Gary.
Don't
To
quit.
Sherry and Gary. May their
According to
marriage
Angus, her name goes
last
first.
as long as these fucking cupcakes do.
Evil, don't.
Well, can you say something?
No, he was a first man.
The best man?
Angus, say something.
I hope Sherry's not making a mistake.
That's
And I
nice.
love Gary to death. Really?
Really.
I figured if no one else was going
Come
to
on.
do my answer.
Now that the wedding couple's not behind me
Do
and
it.
in the picture,
Go for it. Go for it.
if they're not in the picture,
Angus has got to serenade
if
the
they're
wedding
in
couple.
the picture, I will sing it.
Okay, go serenade the wedding.
Okay, start. You know
right,
how it
Hank
goes?
got my nose.
My baloney has a...
First name.
Really?
Shut up.
Go for it.
Comic books and rubber bands falling down in trees.
It's not the song.
Hurry up, I only got like 5 minutes of battery. You gotta
My
do it.
baloney has a first name. It's
Freaking trying to work for them proud.
B.
A-B.
When I was just an itty bitty boy, my grandma gave me a cute little toy. It wasn't much, 2 bells and a string. She said it was my ding-a-ling-a-ling. Oh my ding-a-ling. Oh my ding-a-ling. Want you to play with my ding-a-ling. Oh my ding-a-ling. Oh my ding-a-ling. Won't you play with my ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling? My baloney has a first name. It's O-S-C-A-R. My baloney has a second name. It's M-A-Y-E-R. I like to read it every day. And if you ask me why, I'll say, why, Angus? 'Cause Oscar Mayer has a way with B-O-L-O-G-A. Something like that. Winners, please.
That's it, baby. KiwiShow.com.